Okay, so you're in the Cricut app. Click on New Project. We're going to replace that. Okay, so we're going to hit Upload. Select Photo from Library. Find your image that you want to use. And come down here and click Remove. And click on the outside space. Okay. We're not going to do that with the inside of the cup. Normally with like an image like say Snoopy, you would want to go in and do that. Because then it would show that we're going to cut that out. We don't want that. That's the negative space. But no, we want this space. So what we're going to do now is we're going to come in here and click Erase. Swipe over the areas you want to erase. So I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to move my eraser size down a little bit. And then come in here and clear it out for every single one of them. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and clear that out. See how it's just got that up there now? I know I said we didn't want to clear that out, but it's okay. I'm still trying to learn how to explain things to people. This is a new thing for me. But we're going to go back into the eraser and continue to erase the words. Sorry to make you have to watch me do this, but I want to make sure that you know how to do it, if that makes sense. Okay, we have completely empty cups. So, come over here to Next and Save as a cut image. And then put in your name and hit Save. Excuse me. Okay, so we've got our empty one right here. So we're going to click on that and we're going to hit Insert. So, see there's a little speck in that middle one on the top row. Make sure you get everything cleaned out. But from where this is, learning purposes, this is what I'm going to do. So, you got that right there. And then do your text. Okay, you see where on Cricut Sans, it has single layer and writing. Okay, I'm just going to click on that one just to show you right quick how to do this. If it'll load. Okay, so enter your text. So I'm just going to put care instructions. And see, it pops up. So get that down to your size. Okay, so it's right there in the middle of it. Why are we already in it? Okay, there we go. Sorry. Okay, so go into your edit. Okay, right here where it has the R for regular, you want regular, bold, italics, bold, writing. I always go to writing because I don't want to possibly have it mess up and cut it. Yeah, so I do that and I put everything on mine to go into center. That's what everything was set at. And then you make your cups where you want them to be. I'm going to move this over. Make your cups where you want them to be. Okay. For mine, since I was using paper, like regular printer paper, I went in here and I unlocked this and I set it to 8 by 10. Just completely 8 by 10. But what you do is you put your font, your words in there, select all of it. Okay. go into Actions, Group, and Attach. So, but now, right, you can click on it and still click on it, and it ain't going nowhere. So, from here, you click on Make It, and see, you have your outlines here, but you can't see your words. That's because that is going to draw and then cut. So it's going to write your words, and then it's going to cut your cups. If you're doing with vinyl or a sticker sheet or whatever that does the whole board, put this wherever you want it to. But for me, I was using the photo paper, so 8 by 10. And that's where I know where to put my paper on my board. Then you click into continue, and it's trying to get me to hook up to my Cricut. But then you would follow the guidelines that it sets out for you to cut on whatever it is that you want to cut. And if you have the Air 2, click it over to custom, and you can click into that and find whatever you're using. Like with me, I was using photo paper, so I went into custom and clicked on photo paper. And I would suggest to do the cut depth or pressure, whatever it is, to more, because you're not going to want to come back in here and do a second sweep, because it's going to write and then it's going to cut. So it might mess up whatever you're writing. I hope this helps.